Chapter 24. Volatile Irava. The mage approaches and bows. Yes, sire. All predictions were for clear skies today. It should not rain until later this week. The predictions are wrong, Toravan says, with a dangerous edge to his voice. Toravan stands, and Valtaire snaps his fingers at a nearby servant. Go, get people to bring out canopies, Valtaire says. We need to get them set up quickly. A drop hits my head, then another. In the not-so-far distance, thunder crackles with an ominous boom. Toravan turns to me. Weaver, can you weave away this storm? I look again at the sky. I have practiced weather weaving, though not as much or as well as I've practiced illusions and constructs. It takes a lot of concentration and willpower to harness the raw powers of nature, to convince them to calm into a smoother path. This sort of weaving can be dangerous, but I can do it. I start to nod when Nikolai shows up in front of the king. Your Majesty, he says with great seriousness, I can weave away this storm. Oh no, my arms prickle with foreboding, my thoughts finally starting to kick out of their stupor around Toravan. I glance toward Princess Elsira, who's now talking with a noblewoman on the other side of the king. Is this the demonstration that Nikolai was planning? Did Nikolai call this storm? I open my mouth to say that's a bad idea for Nikolai to weave the storm. But can I say that here, in front of the king? In front of the court? When Nikolai is a rival mage candidate, and everyone, by now, knows he has a grudge against me, and that I have the ear of the king, can I set myself above Nikolai when he has the power of birth, and I, as Caleb, do not? I shut my mouth again. Toravan frowns at me, but when I give no response, the king nods to Nikolai. Nikolai has been giving informal demonstrations of his weaving since he arrived at the palace, without any other incidents like that first day. And people's opinions have swayed back to him, because of course they have, with him being the son of a powerful noble. Several of the courtiers now are asking for Nikolai to weave the storm away too. Several of the men he's flirted with, and I'm wondering now at the purpose of that too. I will, at least, be on hand if Nikolai's magic goes astray, and maybe it won't. He hasn't overstretched too much in practice either. Maybe he will redeem himself and stop threatening me. Maybe I'll fade from his priorities as he shines again. And wouldn't that be a good outcome? But he throws one look at me over his shoulder. One smug, self-satisfied look that makes all the hairs on my body stand on end. This is bad. This is really, really bad. But he's already moving to the center of the courtyard, already reaching up both hands to start weaving the threads of the oncoming storm. And it's too late now to stop whatever's about to happen. I tense as people rapidly retreat to the hedge walls. I watch as Nikolai begins to weave the storm.